Hi, I am Harshini. Happy Diwali! Look what I've done for Diwali gift. A fridge magnet. These are the materials we require. Dried flowers and leaves. MDF base, acrylic paint, sequins, white glue. First, apply the paint on the MDF base. I have used purple color paint. You can use any color of your choice. Now paste the dried flowers and leaves with the help of white glue. Then stick the sequins with the help of white glue. You can gift this for any occasion. Leave it to dry. After that, apply varnish and leave it to dry. The fridge magnet is ready. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to Harshini's Recreations.